Vitals on the Charolais coming through now, all green.
Good, keep the line moving smoothly.
Vitals on lot 4 looking good.
Confirmed. Moving them to the next station.
Keep the line moving steadily.
We are clear for the next group.
Gates closing, you are clear for departure.
Copy that. Systems check nominal.
Gate secured, you are clear.
Copy that, rolling out.
Keep moving straight onto the conveyor.
We need the next group now. Open gate 4.
All clear on the lower deck.
Send the next group down.
Scan complete, moving to chute 2.
Approval confirmed. Next group advancing.
Check the pressure on nozzle 3. It's holding steady at 50 psi.
Using inspection data, the automated gates seamlessly guide the cattle into their holding pens. Here at the sorting pens, automated stainless steel gates precisely manage the flow of the Hereford herd.
Bay 4 ventilation looks low. Adjusting now.
Water levels are optimal across the board.
In the skinning hall, hydraulic pullers and automated knives ensure the clean and efficient removal of hide.
Watch the blades near Station 4.
Clear. Ensure the side belts are moving smoothly.
At the splitting station, automated arms guide the carcasses as high-powered saws precisely divide them into...
Powerful fans circulate the freezing air, while digital sensors constantly monitor the core temperature, ensuring uniform cooling throughout the process.
Zone 3 temperature holding steady at 2 degrees Celsius. Maintain current speed.
The aging room is kept at precise temperatures and humidity. This controlled environment ensures the professional maturation.
The automated line ensures perfect uniformity. Blasts of freezing air quickly solidify the patties. The steaks are precisely placed into clear bags by robotic arms, which then evacuate the air and seal the packages tightly.
Automated systems precisely inject the chromium salts, ensuring even penetration throughout the hides in the massive drums. Automated systems precisely inject the chromium salts, ensuring even penetration throughout the hides in the massive drums. Automated systems precisely inject the chromium salts, ensuring even penetration throughout the hides in the massive drums.
Penetration looks good on this batch.
Agreed, the chromium uptake is consistent.
The heavy rollers of the samming machine squeeze the wet blue leather, removing excess moisture before the automated presses flatten the hides.
The wet blue leather is fed into the splitting machine, where razor-sharp blades precisely separate it into the valuable grain and flesh layers.
In the retanning drums, shaved leather is treated with specialized agents, enhancing softness and strength.
The pH is holding steady at 4.2.
Good. Increasing the fat liquor by 5 liters.
The circulation pumps are maintaining the flow rate.
Good, we are hitting the target saturation point.
The automated timers ensure precision drying,
resulting in perfectly conditioned leather every cycle. The automated timers ensure precision drying, resulting in perfectly conditioned leather every cycle. The automated sprayers add precise moisture before the leather passes into the staking jaws for uniform stretching and softening. The automated sprayers add precise moisture before the leather passes into the staking jaws for uniform stretching and softening.
Here in the finishing lines, automated spray booths apply protective top coats and pigments.
Here in the finishing line, the leather receives its final pigments and protective layers before moving to the drying tunnels.
The sole attachment process relies on these hydraulic presses. As the automated dispenser applies the adhesive,
Our high-speed scanners meticulously check for seal integrity and weight accuracy, ensuring only the highest quality products move forward.
Here in the palletizing area, efficiency is maximized through synchronized robotic arms and high-speed wrappers, ensuring every box is ready for shipment.
Is Bay 4 ready for the leather shipment?
Almost secure here, just another minute.
Aisle 7 pallet is ready to go.
Okay, I'll take this cart to the floor now.
Your total is $42.50.
Great, I'll use the card reader.